Today I was thinking what to print with my 3D printer. So today I have printed the wonderful thing. When you see it, you will also just say wow. This is just a storage box, and lots of air vent. You can say diffusing type. Very good while printing. You can use also like a garbage box. It is very useful box and keep airy. I have printed this vessel and keep this vessel, and also have a gear I have no used and put in this box. I kept in the biggest thing with your, well, you put also coin if your pocket busting from coin. If you want it, put it too. This is no problem, and best thing is that cap is a very good quality and you can close easily. There is no problem in opening and closing. And premium box, it looks like good quality print. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe channel. Please share with your friends and family if you like video. Thank you so much.